Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Hello everybody, welcome back to Jai and Jerry. I hope everyone is doing fine and well today. Kamusta po? So we're back again. Hello po sa lahat. I would like to say thank you to everybody who have been reaching out, sa lahat po ng mga nagre-reach out sa akin dito sa YouTube. Nagko-comment po, nagsisay hi, especially sa mga taga Cagayan de Oro. Hello po dyan. Hello, maayong adlaw kaninyong tanan. Hello po. So, for those who doesn't know me, my name is Jade. I am from the Philippines, but I live now in Florida. I got here through a K1 fiancé visa. Bisayang dako po ko ha. Bisayang dako, bisdak. But for today's video, I'll try my best to speak English or Taglish. Ito Taglish natin ito because I have a viewer that one of my viewers commented that he's watching my video. I think he's a US citizen, and his fiance is in the Philippines and they're planning to apply for K1 visa. So he requested if I can speak in English para daw po maintindihan niya ako. So, I'm going to try my best to speak in English, but I'm going to i-mix ko na lang siya Taglish, English, ganyan po. I'll try my best. So anyways, yeah. For today's video, I would like to share with you what to do when you get to the US. Ano po ba ang mga gagawin ninyo pagdating sa US when you're a K1 fiancé visa holder? So, it's not over po for us K1 fiancé visa holders. The process doesn't end in the Philippines when you get approved on your K1 fiancé visa. The process continues when you get to the US, and these are the things that you need to do and you should do when you get to the US. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please click the bell button to get notified on my next upload, especially if you're a K1 fiancé visa holder or adjusting your status here in the US. Don't forget to click like as well and share my video. So, marami pa po tayong matulungan ng mga K1 fiancé visa filers or adjustment of status filers like me na DIY po or do it yourself. No lawyer, no agency. I applied on my own. I applied just me and my husband without the help of anybody, a lawyer or agency. Kami-kami lang po ni husband yung nag-apply ng aming application sa USCIS. Just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I'm only sharing based from my own experience and my research po. These are all from my own experience as a DIY filer. Do it yourself. Ako lang nag-file, kami lang ni husband. And yes, I encourage everyone as well to do your own research. Mas maganda na po na marami kayong matutunan. So please do your own research as well. So yes, what are the things that you need to do when you get to the US? Ano-ano nga ba yung mga requirements or ano-ano pa ba yung mga processes na kailangan mong pagdaanan to live here permanently or legally? So first things first, you have to remember that the K1 visa that the US Embassy gives us is a single entry. It's a single entry to the US. So before it expires, you have to be in the US. And when you arrive in the US, remember the 90 days rule. You have to get married within 90 days. So for you, in order for you to do that, you need to apply for a marriage license at the courthouse near you. And then you can get married anywhere in the US as long as it's in the US and it's within the 90-day period. Yes, after you get married, you need to get Social Security card or the SSN. These can be interchanged. You can do this first before you get married, or get married and then get SSN. It's either way. As long as you get your SSN before or within 74 days upon your arrival. By the way, the 90 days rule starts on the day that you arrive in the US. So get your SSN, go to the Social Security Administration office near you. I'm not sure if you need to book online or whatsoever, if you need to book an appointment. So please check your Social Security Administration office or online if you need to do an appointment first before you go there. So the requirements for getting a social security number are your passport, of course, and the I-94 or the arrival and departure record. So I have a video, I already made a video on how to get I-94 or the arrival and departure record. Please visit, it's already up. Please visit that video. This is the video right here. Please go check that video on how to get your I-94. Kasi requirement po ang I-94 that on your adjustment of status and of course the social security number. So after you get married and you have your SSN, you can apply for your green card or adjust your status. Now, I heard some people said before that when you marry a US citizen, you automatically become a US citizen yourself. No, that's not right po. Hindi po tama yan. When you marry a US citizen, you only become the immediate relative of that person. So you become the spouse. Now, in order for you to live legally here in the US, you need to adjust your status. So if you're a K1 fiancé visa like me, apply for I-485 or register for permanent resident or the green card. Apply for green card or adjust status. So I've already made a video on how I fill out I-485 or register for permanent resident. Please check the video. It's quite long because permanent resident or the I-485 form has 20 pages, and I went through page by page, each of every page on that video to give you a guide and idea on how I fill out my form. So just because it applies to me, some of the questions there applies to me, that doesn't mean that it will apply to you. So I encourage you to read I-485 instructions first before you fill out I-485 form. Please read I-485 instructions and please read I-485 form before you start filling out the I-485. And I've also made a video right here about my adjustment of status timeline, my green card timeline from the application down to a green card on hand. So I am currently right now a green card holder under conditional of 2 years green card po. So how much is the filing fee for I-485? I-485 right now is at $1,440. Now you may file concurrently with I-765 or the employment authorization, and the filing fee is $260 if you file it concurrently with I-485. And I will upload a video on how I fill out my I-765 or the employment authorization. So please stay tuned for that one. Don't forget to follow or don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button para ma-notify kayo on my next upload regarding that one if you want to file concurrently with your I-485. Now, for example, if your green card has not been approved yet and you need to exit the country, you need to go back to the Philippines for some family matters or emergency or whatsoever, and your green card has not been approved yet, you need to file re-entry permit or the form I-131 advance parole or the travel parole. Now, filing fee for I-131 or the travel parole is $630. So you need to file it before you leave the country. And please check this video right here, requirements for adjustment of status. I have there a video of what are the requirements that I included in my application for adjustment of status, and the lockbox offices of where you're going to submit your I-485 or the adjustment of status, because it's different in every state. So please check this video. The lockbox offices is already there na po. So please check. So when your green card is approved po under conditional 2 years, just like mine, before the 2 years expires, you need to apply for removal of conditions or Form 751 during the 90 days before it expires or before the 90 days expires. Now, you cannot file too early because they will reject it. In order for you to know if you are qualified to file for your removal of conditions, please go to USCIS website and go to filing or Google filing date calculator sa website po nila. Doon po lalabas, may tanong po doon. They will ask you when will your green card expires, and then lalabas po doon or on how soon can you apply for removal of conditions. So please visit USCIS website, uscis.gov for that one. And filing fee for removal of conditions, Form I-751 is $750. Now, when you get approved on your removal of conditions, at least you can apply for naturalization or citizenship 3 years upon the date of your approval of your green card. So at least 3 years to 5 years, you can check your eligibility sa USCIS website. You can go to USCIS website and check your eligibility if you can apply for naturalization or if you can't yet. So applying for naturalization or citizenship, Form N400 or the application for naturalization. Now, please go to the website and check your eligibility. You can Google N400 and then lalabas na po doon. You can see everything there, the eligibility, the requirements, and how to do it, where to file, how to file. Now, the filing fee depends on the method of filing, whether it's online or paper. Now, there is a $50 discount if you file online. Now, please visit USCIS website again, or you can Google application for naturalization or citizenship. And then, makikita nyo po lahat. You can see everything there. You can know everything about the eligibility, requirements, and the processes and how to apply for it, where to send the file. And if everything goes well, very well for you, you get your naturalization or citizenship. You get your U.S. citizenship. It's up to you if you want to retain your Philippine citizenship or you want to be a dual citizen. Now, if you want to retain your Philippine citizenship, go to or visit the website, the Philippine Embassy website. That's philippineembassy-dc.org or ORG. And then you can go to FAQ or frequently asked questions. And then makikita nyo po doon, you can see there, dual citizen. You can click that one and there will be a drag down. You'll see everything about the dual citizenship, the requirements, the processes on what you need to do and how to do it. The filing fee is $50. As of now, it's $50. So that's it po. Those are all the things that we need to do in order for us to legally live here in the US. Our fight, our battle doesn't end in the Philippines right when we get approved on our K1 fiancé visa. Ang dami pa po. We still have to do a lot of things. We still have a lot of forms to fill out to live here legally, to be, if you want to be a US citizen here in the US. So, yes, those are all the information that I have researched, and please, I encourage everyone as well to do your own research as well, because siguro there may be some informations here that I lack or I haven't included, or I haven't seen. Please, and I encourage everyone to do your own research as well. So that's it, everybody. I hope this video will help you, give you information, give you guide on what to do when you come here in the US using a K1 fiancé visa. So Thank you very much, everybody. Thank you again for all your support. Sa mga nakasupport po sa akin lagi, nandyan lang sa tabi-tabi. Thank you very much. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Please click the bell button to get notified on my next upload, especially if you're a K1 fiancé visa filer or an adjustment of status filer. You're adjusting your status here in the US. I have other videos as well. I make videos or I upload videos about my day-to-day life dito sa US, a day in my life. So I'm sharing videos of you on what I do here and all of that stuff. So ayun po, maraming salamat. So once again, please visit my channel and visit USCIS website, uscis.gov, for more information about K1 visa, other visas for the US, and adjustment of status. All the information that I shared with you, I got it through the USCIS website mismo po. They have everything in there. You just have to read it and understand everything. So that's it. So once again, just a disclaimer, I am not affiliated with any government agency nor working as an immigration attorney. I am not a professional or a legal expert. I'm only sharing based from my own experiences, from my own research as a DIY filer or do it yourself. So again, I encourage everybody to do your own research as well. And thank you so much, everybody, for watching. I hope this gives you a guide and idea on what to do next when you get here to the US. Maraming salamat po. Thank you, everybody, for all your support. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to share this video para marami pa po tayong matulungan. And please watch my other videos as well. Thank you, and I hope everyone have a great day. See you in my next video.